Hi friends, welcome back to the Technical Girl YouTube channel. Today I have another video. If you are really want to come Mysore and know how the Mysore hotel is, how they provide the hostel facilities and how the room is, so let's explore it. This is the building number 78. This is basically for girls. You can see this is the nearest food court. You can find it here. Okay. In hostels there is also lifts, stairs. You can use any of them, and you can see the greenish area. Okay, let's explore the hostel facilities. Here they have provided in each block they have provided this aquaguard. This can also give both hot water and cold water and normal water. Okay, this is the room type. Basically this is like front and front this type. Yes, this is sofa, and this is the first floor. Okay, you can have so many rooms, so let's explore how the room is. Okay, my room is 149. Here this is 149. Okay, let's open the door. They have given the keys to open the door. Let's Yes, the room is dark. We have to insert the smart card. They've used this for electricity. You can see all electricity common. Okay, I have to explore one. Yes, in the right hand side you can see the. Okay, then in left only you will find the washroom. Okay, here this is the basin and washroom. You can see how clean this is. They have also provided the bucket and the mug. This is totally fine. Okay, they have given these two cupboards and one mirror. Okay, explore how the cupboard is. Basically I love this cupboard. Okay, this is so large, you can store as many as clothes here. Okay, and there is a safe locker. You can keep your safety things like your money, postcards, etc., and here you can lock it. So basically it does not open like this. You have to insert your password. For me it is 1 2 3. Okay, then press S. There will be green sign. Then you can open the door. Okay, yes, this is fine, no? Yes. Okay, let's explore how is the room. Yes, they have provided 2 beds. Actually this 2 bed is 2 persons, but basically for due to COVID they have allotted to only single person. They have also give this mosquito. Then this is the wall print they have given, 2 fans, and yeah, Samsung one, 2 tables, study table, 2 chairs, and this is the kettle. Yes, and you can see the glass mugs, etc., and they have provided the blanket also, and for a land phone and AC. Okay, 2 lights. Here is one study light, table light. Okay, and another beautiful thing is they have given the transparent skin. You just open and enjoy the nature. Okay, how beautiful is this? Let's see the whole room. Yes, it's totally best one, no? Okay, if you really enjoy the video, please do comment, like, and in comment section tell me what type of video you want, and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. And they have given the watch.